Let's start off with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Forward with your left foot, tap behind with your toe, step back, tap with your toe next to your ankle, step and out toe, inside edge of the toe, step together and allow the left foot to turn out a little bit so you have balance, don't leave it twisted in. And we're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now in we go with the toe. I did it right. Out we go, and then we transfer the weight by lifting the back foot to the ball of the foot. You don't want to go too high. And from here, we're counting 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to go 5 and 6 and 7. First, the footwork. Forward, back, straight. Bring left foot back, cross, and you're done. And remember the ball of the foot up. So when we're finishing here in the cross, on 3, we're going to go 5 and 6 and 7. Okay, it's a little bit quick. So from tibbity, boom. Easy Suzy Q. But notice my back foot is always standing up on the ball of the foot. And you can also choose to bend the knees and lean to the side. Lean to the side. And back into your basic. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one, or even better, dance you later.